I was seldom able to see an opportunity until it ceased to be one. I never could tell a lie that anyone would doubt, nor a truth that anybody would believe. Adam and Eve had many advantages, but the principal one was that they escaped teething. Nothing so needs reforming as other people's bad habits. Thunder is good, thunder is impressive, but it is the lightning that does the work. April 1, this is the day upon which we are reminded of what we are on the other 364. Thousands of geniuses live and die undiscovered either by themselves or by others. It's better to keep your mouth shut and appear stupid than to open it and remove all doubt. Truth is good manners. Manners are a fiction. Let us endeavor so to live that when we come to die, even the undertaker will be sorry. When a teacher calls a boy by his entire name, it means trouble. My mother had a great deal of trouble with me, but I think she enjoyed it. Few things are harder to put up with than the annoyance of a good example. Man will do many things to get himself loved. He will do all things to get himself envied. Everyone is a moon and has a dark side which he never shows to anybody. Always do right. This will gratify some people and astonish the rest. The stars ain't so close as they look to be. A soap bubble is the most beautiful thing and the most exquisite in nature. Man is the only animal that blushes or needs to. I was gratified to be able to answer promptly, and I did. I said I didn't know. You can't pray a lie. The difference between the almost right word and the right word is really a large matter. It's the difference between the lightning bug and the lightning. When in doubt, tell the truth. The work that is really a man's own work is play and not work at all. Let us be thankful for the fools, but for them the rest of us could not succeed. To some people, it is fatal to be noticed by greatness.